Get your booking system set up and ready to accept appointments in just minutes. Start by creating your NexSlot account. It only takes a few seconds to get inside your dashboard. Once everything is set, your booking page is live. Next, add your services. Set your pricing, duration, and customize each offering to match your business. Clients can now select a service, choose a time, and confirm their appointment instantly. Define your availability by selecting your working days and time slots. This ensures clients can only book when you're available. NexSlot gives you everything you need to manage bookings, streamline operations, and grow your business all in one place.